The Empstorm Espresso Machine EP-1001 is a versatile coffee maker that accommodates both coffee powder and capsule options, providing flexibility for coffee enthusiasts. With a robust 20-bar high-pressure system and an 1100-watt heating element, this machine ensures you enjoy a rich crema and authentic espresso flavor. Its user-friendly design includes a one-touch control for single or double cup options and a removable drip tray, making it convenient for daily use. The 360-degree adjustable steam wand creates smooth, creamy froth for your lattes and cappuccinos in under 60 seconds. Safety is prioritized with an automatic power-off feature after 25 minutes of inactivity, preventing energy waste and potential damage. Empstorm offers a 1-year warranty on this espresso machine, ensuring customer satisfaction and support for any inquiries.